Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Alright guys, so have you been shaving your private area hair or your jaw, and has it been giving you that bumps, blackness and that itchy sensation? Anyway, if you have, don't worry, don't do that again. I'm gonna be showing you a sugar hair removal that would help you to remove the hair from the hair gland, and it will also delay the growth of a new hair. So if you want to know what this comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram, and now let's dive into this video. Alright guys, so here I have half cup of white sugar, and we're going to be using this to get rid of pubic hair or body hair instead of shaving. So I'm gonna be showing you how we are gonna be doing this guys, and it's gonna be superb. Okay, sugar for shaving. Alright, so we're gonna be needing a pot, and then I'm gonna be transferring this sugar into the pot, like the whole sugar. Okay, and I would also be needing vitamin E capsule. Now the essence why I need vitamin E capsule, so it can, help increase the elasticity of the skin. Okay, so it can work really well, and as well retain moisture onto wherever you're going to be removing the hair. Okay, so I'm going to be piercing 2 capsules of that into the sugar. Okay, let me use my right hand so you can see me press it in. Alright, okay, so the next ingredient I'm going to be putting in is going to be coconut oil. Now we all know that coconut oil is actually very friendly for the skin, and that's why we need it a whole lot, for this hair removal remedy. So we're going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Okay, and after that we're going to be putting in a little bit of water guys. Okay, alright, so this is actually okay, and now let's go to the kitchen so we can make this come to what we need it for. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna be boiling the sugar plus all of the oil on the fire, and we're just gonna be giving it a stir guys. Okay, so as you boil the stir, okay. Now you can actually use lemon in place of the water. If you actually do not want to use water, you can use lemon, or any of them you use is gonna be okay. Okay, so we're just going to keep stirring. Now when you're doing this method guys, you have to be careful because the sugar, it's actually very hot when it's boiling. This food, it's usually very hot, so it's not something you have to play with. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it, let it boil, and I'm going to be right back to show you guys the result of everything. This space is actually burning, so I'm just turning it. It should change the color though. The color should change from this normal white to like a brownish kind of color. Yeah, but if it does not change, that should be because of the baking, sorry, the coconut oil that I put in it. Okay, so let's wait and let it boil, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, and when it's like this, you don't have to touch it, just leave it there for it to cool down a little bit, and you're going to make use of it when it's cool. So this is how this is actually going to look like. Okay, brownish, and this is the sugar itself. Now when it is still hot like this, guys, you don't have to put it in a rubber plate or a glass plate. Okay, don't put it in there, otherwise it's just going to break it. But put it something like this, ceramic or something. Yeah, I think so, that's how they call this, ceramic plates. That's where it can retain or hold the heat. So I'm just going to be keeping it for it to cool a little bit, and then I'm just going to show you how you're going to do that. Okay, alright, so it has actually cooled a little bit, and you don't have to let it cool too much. Okay, so this is how it's going to be like when it is cool very well. It's going to be like this, like not like very well, guys. Okay, so what you do is to grab the sugar mask, and then you have to test it first and see if it's not too hot. Okay, then you have to apply it on your skin. So apply this on your skin just like this, and yeah, guys, it's actually still hot. Okay, so you mash it through. So when you're done, then you will have to drag it, and it's gonna bring out hairs. But for me, guys, I don't have hairs on my hand, like I'm hairless. Okay, so that's literally how you're gonna use the sugar mask, sugar hair removal, and all of your hair is gonna go. Let me try it with my palm, because it's actually still very hot. Like, it's a very simple yet very effective way to remove all unwanted hair using the sugar method. Now this is very simple. You can also replace the water with lemon, just like I earlier said. Alright, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless. Bye guys.